everyone, trial and error back with another life hack. Have you ever opened your fridge only to discover a random assortment of things that you needed to use up before they go bad soon? We've got the solution for you, nachos! For this you'll need whatever you want to use up in your pantry and some tortilla chips. Start off by dicing up the veggies and then cooking your protein. I had some ground chicken, so I added oil, garlic, and then later some salt for seasoning. You also want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then begin assembling your nachos. Start off by laying down some parchment paper and creating a bottom layer of corn chips. I'd recommend making the edges a little higher than the center or using a deeper sheet pan. So after creating the bottom layer, you now want to start adding your diced toppings. Off camera, I also chopped up the cooked meat so that all of my toppings could be a similar size. I found some salsa in my fridge that I had no other use for, so I drizzled some on top. Another tip is to use a block of cheese and grate it over the nachos for a better dish. The single slices that I had were much harder to melt. So now do all of those steps over and over again with as many layers as you prefer. This is what mine looked like before placing it in the oven, which should now be heated up to the right temperature. Let your nachos bake for 6 minutes, and once the cheese is melted, take it out and add your final touches. In my case, I used up the rest of the salsa and added cilantro and lime juice as a garnish. And this is the final product. While not the neatest dish, these layered nachos were delicious, filling, and a great way to use up leftover produce. That's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to Trial and Error for more.